What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. We're doing some Mongolian beef. Got the griddle nice and hot. Let's jump in it. So here's what we're doing. We got this flank steak right here. Cut it into good size, nice thinnish pieces. Seasoned with some soy sauce, sesame oil, corn flour, and baking soda. Got a little peanut oil down here. Want a decent amount because I want to fry this stuff up nice and good. All right, now my burners, I have these two on high. These are off. We're at about 415. All right, just put some meat on here. Get that sizzle going nice and good. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Now this is about 1 1/4 pounds of flank steak. And it's not going to take long at all because this is cut up pretty thin. All right. I'm going to break some of these pieces up that are kind of clumping. Oh. All right. Ooh, boy, that smells so good. Want to get these pieces touching the griddle, get a nice fry on them. All right. Just like so. Let that stuff go for probably a minute or so. And then we're going to be throwing on the veggies, which is pretty much spring onion and some red chili, dried red chili peppers. I'll throw a little garlic in there. But I want to get this meat about, I don't know, roughly 70-75% done. Then I'm going to move it over to this side because this side is still warm. We're at about 230 over there. So yeah, we're just going to let this meat cook up real quick. All right, so the meat is about 75-80% done. So what I'm going to do, just put it right over here. And I'm going to kind of spread it out because I don't want it to keep cooking it's going to keep cooking a little bit, but I don't want it to steam it. I want to keep it cooking on the griddle. All right, boom. So scrape this side real quick. Just get a little bit of it off. Don't need to get it all clean, nothing like that. All right, we're gonna throw a little more oil. And time for the veggies. So the veggies are pretty much done. They've only been on for about 45 seconds or so. Got this thing pretty hot. I did turn it down. We're at 420 right now. Just turn them up a little bit. It's starting to get soft. And I did do the whites and the greens from the scallions just because I love them. I threw a little garlic in there. That's frying up real good. And the smell off these red dried chilies are... Oh, something serious. So yeah, this stuff's ready to go. Now, we got the sauce right here. I wrote down so I could tell you guys what's in there this time. We got 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. We got some 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Oh man, it smells delicious. I'm not gonna put it all on there. Just want to start cooking it up. Ooh boy, smell it. Now once the chicken, because of the corn flour I put on the chicken. What? Oh. Sorry, the beef. The corn flour that I put on the beef, it will help thicken this up, and the sugar that's in the sauce itself is going to help thicken it up. See, it's starting to get where I want it. There we go. Let's go ahead and throw this chicken back in, or man, beef. Let's throw the beef back in here. Ooh, buddy. Oh, man. I am so excited for this, and that just splashed me and it was hot. All right. No, hey. Just smelling this is unbelievable. Man, this just smells unbelievable. You know, we're done. This thing's ready to go. Let's turn these burners off. And I did pour the rest of that sauce in there because we love us some sauce. All right, let's just get it off, eat it up. Where do we begin with this? Man, I want a piece of beef, I want a pepper, let me get an onion. Very good, wow. Pepper was hotter than I thought it was gonna be. That beef is so tender. When you get a flank steak, because it's not the, you know, the best cut of meat, you want to cut it against the grain at an angle. And I've heard that's what you should do. It helps tenderize the meat for whatever reason. I seasoned the meat last night with the baking soda, the corn flour, and all that stuff. And I have in the description below all the ingredients, everything I did. But this beef is so tender. Like, I can't believe how tender it is. Onions are amazing. There's a little crunch in there, not a lot. But with this kind of meat, or this kind of meal, that's what I like. Now, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. You can do white rice with it, some noodles, all that stuff. And yeah, I mean, man, this is good. I will be making this again. This is gonna be a favorite, I know it. That's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. If you feel like it, you can hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.